Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a party makeup look. So if you want to know the products and how I do the full process, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this dark spot correcting glow serum and then applying with my hands all over my face. Then for the lips, I'm going for Laneige lip sleeping mask. Then for foundation, I'm going for Maybelline and Huda Beauty and applying on the center of my face. Then for concealer, I'm going for Eyebrow Pro Conceal and then I apply with a small brush. After that, I blend it out with a beauty blender. Next, I use this cream blush and apply on the apples of my cheekbones. I applied a little bit too much, but it's okay, this can be blended. Then with the same beauty blender, which I used for the concealer, I blend it. For contour, I'm going for the Milk Makeup Contour Stick and then putting on my cheekbones, jawlines and a little bit on my forehead. Then with this angular brush, I blend it all out. Next, I'm going for Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Powder and apply it all over my T-zones where I get most oily. For eyebrows, I'm going for Golden Rose Eyebrow Pencil and then start from the edge and gradually move in the front. Then for eyes, I'm going for the same concealer and then blend it out with a small brush. Then with this Morphe Vava Bloom palette, I go on with the darker brown shade and then apply it like a winged liner. On top of it, I apply some deeper pink tone. With this lighter pink shade, I blend it all out. For glitter, I'm going for this lighter pink glitter and then with my hands, I apply it all over. I'm brushing out all of my setting powder. Next, for the eyelashes, I go for the Maybelline D Volume Rocket Express Mascara and apply it until I get my desired results. Then I also use the eyebrow gel and put it all over my eyebrows. This makes my brows hold in place. Then for the lips, I'm going for the Pierre Cardin and Golden Rose lipstick. With a flat lip brush, I blend it all over my lips. And finally, this party makeup look is ready.